welcome along to BalloonTube, and today we're going to show you the 2-balloon machine gun. Alright, here it is. Alright, we'll start off with the black. It does actually look quite nice if you do it in black and the white here in either the chrome gold or the chrome silver. That just make the gun actually, I was going to say pop there, but the gun, perhaps you don't want it to pop, I don't know. So anyway, you take your black, leave about 4 fingers uninflated. Alright, you're going to make the handle, so you want a 4-finger bubble, alright, and a 2-finger pinch twist. Alright, so twist these two together here and here, pull that away. There we go. You need about a 10-finger bubble, alright, so squeeze the air along for about a 10-finger bubble there, and then you need 2 1.5-finger bubbles. Okay, and you're going to twist these together. The balloon goes over the top, like so. Right. And now you've got to try and make the handle. So generally it's an 8-finger bubble, a 6-finger bubble, an 8-finger bubble, and then it leaves you about a 4 or 5. This does slightly vary each time, you know, but you can see that you've got the shape of the handle of the gun there. So that's what you end up with. An 8, a 6 and an 8, and we've got probably about a 4 or 5 at the end now. Twist that around 2 pinch twists. That'll end up looking a little bit like this. So that's now you've got to put the other part of the gun in. So it's 4 fingers uninflated again. You need the sight, so about 1.5 inch bubble. It's going to be the sight of the gun. Another 1.5 inch bubble, you get a pinch twist, so just that. And you need about a 6-finger bubble, another 1.5 inch bubble, pinch twist, right, and you need a spacer bubble. And this, when I've been going around teaching this is where people get a little bit confused for some reason. So you have a little spacer bubble there, which is going to attach to the pinch twist here. And then you have another spacer back to the pinch twist here, and I'm not quite sure why, but when I've been around explaining this to people, they get a little bit confused here. So you've got your pinch twist there, 1-finger spacer bubble, that will then go around the pinch twist, wrap it around a couple of times so it doesn't come undone, squeeze the air along, another 1-finger spacer bubble, alright, and it's that twist that goes around that pinch twist, alright, so that'll go around like so. It goes like that. So that spacer bubble is so that this runs, they run together. You see, that's all it is. All right. So come back to about an 8-finger bubble. 8-finger bubble, or it might be 7 actually. Yeah, go for 7, I think. There you go. I'm changing it. So a 7-finger bubble, 1.5-finger pinch twist, and now you have to wrap this around the black balloon there. So hold it there. Go all the way round. I'm not sure if we can see that alright. That will go around there. And then sometimes you do need to stretch this a little bit. And then just wrap that nicely all the way around there. And when it comes to the top, you put your twist. Now this varies. Sometimes I've got this one, I've only got a 2-finger bubble. Sometimes you have a 3-finger or a 4-finger. It does slightly vary. But, so this will go into the pinch twist here. There we go. And then you just gently push that back on there. So it's going to sit there. So I think it's more like a Tommy gun really than a machine gun, isn't it? You know, it's like a gangster's. There we go. So hopefully, and sometimes it looks better. Sometimes I do turn this around and see what looks better, but I think it looks the same either way really, so it doesn't. I'm going to go for that way actually, if I can looks a little bit better. Alright, so there you go, so they hold it here and here and go around. Alright, so there is your Tommy gun cum machine gun. Thanks for tuning in to BalloonTube, and if you could hit the subscribe button, that would be fantastic. So see you another time. So it's bye from me.